I'm Sylvia. Welcome to my kitchen creations. On today's episode, we're going to make honey garlic chicken. This recipe is so flavorful. It's sweet, spicy, and garlicky. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. For today's recipe, I am using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I like to go in and remove some of that fat. After removing some of that fat, I like to go in and just cut my chicken just like so, and continue the same process for the rest. Here's my chicken thighs, nice and clean. Now it's time to season our meat with some black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and adobo seasoning. Give that a good mix. Add your cornstarch. Now make sure that the chicken is fully coated with that cornstarch. My chicken is fully coated with the cornstarch. This looks really good. Over medium-high heat in a large skillet, add your oil. After your oil is nice and hot, go in with your chicken. And we're going to cook them until they are golden brown. After 10 minutes, and remove your chicken and place them on a platter. And we're going to continue the same process for the rest. After removing all your chicken, go in with your butter and your minced garlic. Cook that for a minute. After a minute, go in with your chicken broth. Add your honey, add your rice vinegar, add your soy sauce, and your red pepper flakes. And you can add as much or as little, depends how spicy you want this sauce to be. Now give that a stir. I want my sauce to thicken a little, so I'm going to allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. This is how my sauce is looking after 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is some cornstarch to a little bowl. And I'm going to add a little bit of that chicken broth and give that a stir. So making the stir will help thicken the sauce the way I want it. And this is over medium-low heat. After the sauce has thickened, go ahead and give it a taste. Make sure it's up to your liking. You can go in and add more honey. If you'd like it sweeter, you can add more soy sauce. If you feel like it needs more flavor, you can add more pepper flakes if you want it spicy. Now add your chicken to the sauce. After returning the chicken to the sauce, just make sure that the chicken is well coated with that sauce. And we're going to allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, this is how my chicken is looking. And this should take us to the end of our recipe.